Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to change the battery on Pulsar V4 mouse. So here in this mouse we don't have to change the batteries because here we have the accumulator. So we can charge our battery using this Type-C port. So if you're wondering where is the battery on this mouse, how we can change it, so there is no way to do that just because we can charge our mouse using USB-C cable, just simple USB-C cable. Of course it should fit to this port. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Bye.